Imagine, if you will, the life of a drum that once belonged to a leader of the Hare Krishna movement. Not its history as a possession, but its life as a vibration that happened to take the shape of wood, skin, and sound. This drum was never truly owned. It passed through hands the way breath passes through lungs, briefly, necessarily, without attachment. When it was played, it did not create music, it revealed it. The rhythm was already there, moving through the leader, through the chanting voices, through the street itself. The drum was simply where the universe chose to tap its fingers. Days, the drum lived in constant motion. It felt the warmth of bodies pressed together in devotion, the pulse of bare feet on pavement, the open sky above processions that wound through cities like living rivers. Each strike was both an ending and a beginning, sound arising, dissolving, and returning to silence. The drum never wondered what the chant meant. Meaning, after all, is a human concern. The drum knew only resonance. One day, as all days eventually do, the rhythm stopped. The leader moved on, the crowd dispersed, the chanting faded into memory. The drum was set down, forgotten, misplaced. Perhaps it now rests in a corner, gathering dust or lies buried beneath other discarded objects that once felt indispensable to the human eye. It is lost. But from the drum's own perspective, nothing has gone wrong. Silence is not the opposite of sound, it is its source. In stillness, the drum continues its work, it listens. It absorbs footsteps, wind, distant traffic, the subtle hum of existence itself. Even untouched, it vibrates, because everything vibrates. To be is already to sound. Humans might say the drum's purpose has ended, yet purpose is a story we tell after the fact. The drum was never meant to last, nor to be remembered. It was meant to happen. And it did, fully, completely, without resistance. The past rhythms have not vanished. They are folded into the present moment, just as waves remain in the ocean, long after they break. Way, the lost drum mirrors us, We too worry about being misplaced, forgotten, no longer useful. That is the deepest teaching the drum ever offered. That devotion is not found in noise or silence, action or rest, but in allowing life to play us and knowing that even when the song seems to stop, the rhythm has never truly ended.